The 2025 Alpha Valve electric truck, revolutionizing the pickup. Speed riders, today we're charging into the future of electric mobility with one of the most anticipated vehicles of the decade, the 2025 Alpha Valve electric truck. This isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a complete reimagining of what a pickup truck can be. Get ready to experience the perfect fusion of brutal capability, cutting-edge technology, and zero-emissions performance, only on Speed Riders. The electric revolution meets American muscle. The Alpha Valve represents a bold new chapter in the electric vehicle revolution, specifically targeting the heart of the American automotive market, the pickup truck. This vehicle aims to prove that electric powertrains aren't just for eco-friendly commuters but can deliver superior performance, capability, and utility compared to traditional internal combustion engines. The 2025 model sets new standards for what an electric workhorse can achieve. Design philosophy. Futuristic functionality. The Alpha Valve features a radical yet functional design that breaks from pickup tradition, aerodynamic excellence, sleek, wind-cheating profile that maintains truck functionality, modular architecture, interchangeable components and configurable bed system, signature lighting, full LED implementation with distinctive light signatures, exoframe construction, combination of lightweight materials and rugged durability, adaptive air suspension, self-leveling system with multiple height adjustments. Powertrain performance, electric muscle. The Alpha Valve's electric powertrain delivers incredible performance, quad motor setup, individual motors for each wheel enabling torque vectoring, power output, 800 plus horsepower and 900 plus lb-ft of instant torque, battery technology, 180 kWh solid-state battery with 500 plus mile range charging capability, 350 kilowatts DC fast charging adding 300 miles in 20 minutes, regenerative braking. Multiple levels of recuperation including one-pedal driving. Off-road dominance. Unprecedented capability. The Alpha Valve redefines off-road performance, terrain response system, automatic adaptation to various surface conditions, weight capability, 36 inches of water fording ability with sealed battery systems, approach/departure angles, best-in-class angles for extreme terrain, torque vectoring, individual wheel control for maximum traction, underbody protection, comprehensive armor for battery and critical components. Technology suite, mobile command center. The Alpha Valve features staggering technological innovation, solar integration, roof and hood panels adding up to 30 miles of range daily, vehicle-to-grid, power export capability for tools, worksites, or home backup, autonomous features, Level 3 autonomy for highway and off-road navigation, digital ecosystem, complete connectivity suite with 5G and satellite communication, over-the-air updates. Continuous improvement of features and performance. Towing and payload, workhorse capability. The Alpha Valve doesn't compromise on traditional truck strengths. Towing capacity, 14,000 pounds maximum when properly equipped. Payload rating, 3,200 pounds of bed capacity. Integrated ramps, power deploying ramps for easy loading. Smart hitch system, automatic trailer connection and calibration. Trailer camera system, multiple camera views for safe towing. Interior innovation, premium mobile office. The cabin represents a new standard for truck interiors, reconfigurable space, movable console and seating arrangements. Premium materials, sustainable luxury materials throughout. Advanced display, 48-inch curved OLED screen with augmented reality workstation mode, rotating seats and deployable work surfaces. Climate control, 4-zone system with advanced air purification. The Speed Riders' verdict. The electric truck revolution. The 2025 Alpha Valve electric truck represents a paradigm shift in the automotive industry. Performance leader. Outperforms most sports cars while being a capable truck. Environmental impact, zero emissions without compromising capability. Technological showcase, the most advanced vehicle in its class. Utility focus, maintains all traditional truck strengths while adding new capabilities. Value proposition, lower operating costs and maintenance than diesel counterparts. This vehicle proves that the future of trucks is electric, and that this future is more capable, more advanced, and more exciting than anything we've seen before. Outro. Speed Riders, has the Alpha Valve convinced you that electric trucks are the future, or are you still loyal to traditional powertrains? Hit that like button if you're excited about the electric revolution, and subscribe to Speed Riders for the most cutting-edge vehicle content. Let us know in the comments what features impress you most, and would you make the switch to electric? Keep charging into the future, and we'll see you in the next episode.